Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this video guys, we're gonna be talking about what is CPM and what is RPM in Tagalog. Let's go. Alright, so I'm back. And this video guys is requested by Ru Crystal G. This is her comment. Ano ba ang RPM? Kasi napanood niyo yung last video ko, which is ano ba ang CPM. Ngayon, tatakin natin yung dalawa since ayaw ko naman mag-comment lang kayo dyan about sa CPM and about sa RPM. So, itatakin natin sa isang video ano bang CPM and ano ba yung RPM. Ano bang pagkakaibahan nilang dalawa. So, unang-una, pag-usapan natin yung cost per mil or yung CPM. So, mil, alam niyo naman yan guys, kung napanood niyo yung previous video ko, mil is a Latin word that says 1,000. So, that means it's cost per 1,000 monetized views. So, hindi mo lang sasabihin guys na cost per 1,000 views. Kasi mali yan, dapat cost per 1,000 monetized views. Okay? Kasi hindi ka naman kikita kung hindi monetize yung isang video or yung channel mo guys, right? Okay, so CPM guys is how much your channel charges on average per 1,000 monetized views. So ibig sabihin, ito yung ang CPM guys is para siyang manager mo, agency management or something like that, na kukuhanin yung kita mo. Alright? 55% kasi ng kita ng isang content creator is mapupunta sa YouTube, of course. Because we're using their platform. Now, 45% of it, guys, is mapupunta sa atin as a content creator. So, tayong gumawa sa atin yung video, kaya may hati. Hindi naman siya 50-50, but 55-45%. Okay? Now, it also shows that the amount before YouTube takes its cut. So, makikita mo dyan sa YouTube analytics mo guys kung magkano yung CPM or yung cost per mil mo. Pero hindi porket malaki yung CPM mo guys, ay yun na yung ibabase. Kasi yan yung advertiser focused metric. So, ito yung tinitignan mga advertisers kasi Google owns YouTube. So, maraming mga advertisers dyan na gumagamit ng Google Ads, which they use a platform para makapaglagay ng mga ads sa bawat sulok ng mga website, Facebook, YouTube, or ano man yan. Now, ang advertiser focus metric guys is yan yung talent fee mo guys, no? Yan yung talent fee mo. Ito yung tinitignan nila. Ganito yung babayaran ng advertiser sa iyo. So ito yung babayaran nila for you for this type of niche and video. Kasi may iba-iba kasi yung mga amount ng CPM. Hindi tayo same lahat, ano. Depende kasi sa niche yan. Alright? So, and kung advertiser friendly yung content mo, and doon tayo. Kasi marami kasi like for example, makeup tutorial ka, nasa mga investment ka, real estate, ang laking advertiser CPM ang meron dyan. Kasi andun na yung demographics guys ng mga ages from 25 and above, yung taon nila, like edad nila guys. So ibig sabihin, yung mga tao na yung demographics guys is may income or nag-generate. Kasi pag mag-create ka ng content, YouTube guys, is magtatanong naman sila kung may trabaho ka ba o wala sa Google, pag-create pa lang ng Google account mo. Right? So, yun yung number one guys, na ito ba, kikita ba ako pag mag-advertise ako? That's advertiser-focused metric. So, titignan nyo kung maganda ba yung content na ilalabas ko, kasi kung pang bata lang, dapat mas marami kang views para kikita ka ng malaki. Compared sa maliit na views, tapos super laki ng income. Kasi nakadepende kasi sa niche. Now, we're clear about CPM guys. If you have questions, just comment down below kung nakalimutan ko ang anumang topic dyan, ano. But we're gonna be talking about RPM now. RPM, guys, is how much your channel makes per 1,000 monetized views. So, yan yung totoong kita mo, alright? Kasi, pag nasa YouTube Analytics ka na overview, yan yung average mo on total videos mo, summary, na kung magkano kikitain mo per 1,000 monetized views. It's not the same as mine, guys, ano, kasi magkaiba tayo. Kasi lahat ng mga videos ko na trending and umabot ng mga more than 10, 15, 20,000 views, guys, is limited. Kasi gaming siya, no? And age restricted yung iba. So, wala kang kikitain, wala kang revenue dun if it's age restricted. Depende kung limited ka, kung limited naman yung income mo, guys, or yung monetization mo na na-approve sa isang video, konti lang din naman kasi kikita ka lang through YouTube Premium. So kung nakapag-YouTube Premium yung mga viewers mo and nanood sa'yo, doon ka pakikita. Pero pag normal views lang, wala po. Zero as in zero, zero. Alright. Now, second is, it shows the amount after YouTube takes its cut. That means, doon na makikita mo ang kaibahan ng CPM at saka RPM. So again, yung CPM, guys, it shows the amount before hindi pa nakuha yung income ng YouTube. And RPM, on the other hand, is kinuha na nila yung 55% na kita and doon na yung 45% mo. Cool. Alright. So, this one is a creator focus metric naman. So, ito yung babayaran, ito yung makukuha mo per 1,000 monetized views. Dito ka magba-base kung gusto mong kumita dito sa YouTube. Now, ito yung pinaka-importante, guys. How to increase your revenue. Okay? Now, di ba meron kang YouTube Analytics dyan? Tinitingnan mo sa YouTube Studio natin, ano? So, you need to check if what's the highest CPM rate. Alright? Papakita ko sa video na to, ganyan. So, sa demographics, guys, sa analytics, guys, makikita mo kung ano yung video na pinakamalaking CPM. Like, ito, may mga random, may mga 500 plus, 200 plus, and 1,800, something like that. So, depende talaga yan kung, depende sa niche. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, pag investment, ang laking kita dyan, ang laking CPM, guys. But, typical videos lang, na walang pupuntahan, So, at saka mali yung tagging mo, mali yung paglagay mo ng tags, wala talaga. If nakita mo na, guys, ang pinaka highest CPM rate, guys, create more content about it. Yun lang, masasabi ko, guys. Create more content about it. Why? Because maraming naka-view. If it's YouTube search, diba may YouTube search dyan, suggested videos, guys. If may mag-comment man, guys, please, for engagement purposes, guys, please heart their comment and reply to their comment. ASAP, ibig sabihin ASAP. Kasi, di ba napapansin mo sa Facebook, pag nag-open ka ng page, ang page replies within an hour or something like that. Typically replies within a day or 24 hours, ganun. Same as YouTube, guys. If you are very active, alright, so ang mangyayari, guys, makikita din ng YouTube yan, guys. So, dito malalaman ng YouTube, guys, kung pwede ba tong video na to for suggested videos, related videos, or whatnot. So, that's it, guys. Create more content about it. Alright? Kasi, yun na nga, may malaki yung kita, tapos nag-follow up video ka pa, tapos yung pinaka-first video mo, ilalagay mo doon yung link ng second video mo, or yung, ang tawag dito, cards, yung sa taas, dito sa taas, guys, may ilalagay ka na cards dito, banda. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys, di ba? So, more videos about the highest CPM guys, the better revenue, diba? Yun naman yung gusto natin. Kaysa na magwaldas ka ng oras mo for a little amount of CPM or revenue, why not study a so-called niche na kikita ka ng malaki, right? Simple as that. Pero depende kasi sa atin yan guys, ano? If passion mo talaga na magpasaya ng tao, mag-vlog, you know, kind of that stuff guys, still viewers will still support you guys kasi yun yung ikaw lang yan eh, ikaw yan, di ba? Gusto mo yan and they like what you're doing. Alright, cool. Now third is of course titignan ba natin kung if it's suitable sa mga advertisers. Hindi ba ako nagbabad words, whatnot, hindi ba to age restricted, wala ba siyang copyright and all basta isipin mo lang guys na ang daming video dyan guys na matutunan mo sa YouTube and all. Alright? Pero hindi ko na itatagil ang haba-haba na ng video natin guys, ano. And may nakalimutan man ako guys. Please do comment down below. Pag-usapan natin yan. If you have requests, don't forget to comment down below. Okay? Kasi magre-reply ako sa inyo. Every one of you guys, try ko ang best ko na pag-replyin kayo. Okay? Kasi gising naman ako pag madaling araw kasi it's my work shift. It's 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. So gising na gising ako dyan guys. So makakapag-reply ako sa inyo kung nanonood ka man that hour or that particular time shift. So makakapag-reply ako sa inyo. And of course, if you like this video guys, hit that like and subscribe down below. Pwede mo yung pag naka-computer ka man, meron dyang mukha ko dyan sa pinakagilid. Pwede mo siyang i-click to subscribe me immediately. But pag nasa cellphone ka naman, nasa baba ang subscribe button. That's for it guys, and thank you for watching my video. Bye!